મુંબઈમાં બૃહન્મુંબઈ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનની ઇમારત એ શહેરનું એક પ્રતિષ્ઠિત સીમાચિહ્ન છે. બીએમસી ઓફિસનું આ 128 વર્ષ જૂનું મુખ્યાલય હેરિટેજ બિલ્ડિંગની ગ્રેડ 2A કેટેગરીમાં સ્થાન પામ્યું છે. ઇતિહાસમાં પહેલી વાર બીએમસી ઓફિસની આ ભવ્ય ઇમારત મુલાકાતીઓ માટે દરવાજા ખોલી રહ્યું છે. એક લોકલ પર્યટન એજન્સીએ બીએમસી બિલ્ડિંગ માટે ખાસ હેરિટેજ ટૂર્સ ક્યુરેટ કરી છે. આ ટૂર્સ વીકેન્ડમાં યોજવામાં આવે છે. આ ઇમારતને લાગતી ઘણી વાતો અને માહિતી છે. ઇતિહાસની જાણકાર વ્યક્તિ મુલાકાતીઓને ઇમારતની મુખ્ય સીડીઓથી લઈ હેરિટેજ ડોમ એટલે કે ગુંબજ, અંદરની રવેશ, કોર્પોરેશન હોલ, મેયરનું ચેમ્બર, કમિશનર ઓફિસ અને કમિટી હોલમાં લઈ જાય છે.
Between the construction of the CST over here and the building behind you, if you could just turn around and see the building right now, you'll notice that while the BMC headquarters is still European mainly, it's not completely European. Notice those two domes over there, as well as the dome on the top. It has Indian influences in it. So it was kind of a transition period. As the British administration went along, they started changing their architecture more towards Indian tastes. And the title of our walk, Urbs Prima, has something to do with something that you can see on this building. Do you see the angel with wings halfway up the building? So that's just not any abstract structure. She is the embodiment of the city of Bombay. She is what is called Urbs Prima. So Urbs Prima in Indus translates as the premier city of India. And when all of these buildings were built, these grand buildings, the vision that the government had is that Bombay is the foremost city of India. So that winged angel embodies the city of Bombay.
આ ઐતિહાસિક ઇમારતના પરિસરમાં વચ્ચોવચ મોટું યોગાન છે. તે જોવા જેવું છે.
So this is the balcony that I mentioned earlier, from where people like Subhash Chandra Bose addressed a lovely crowd assembled over here. It's kind of like a boardroom, you can say. This is where committees like the standing committee and such, like the key committees, would meet in rooms like this. Again, a lot of the work that you see over here is the original work from more than 100 years behind, 100 years back, especially the roofs that you see. So it's all in Indian wood, but the design is very much like you would see in Northern Europe. And the high incline of the roof is especially useful in Northern Europe because snow accumulates on the roof. You would have never guessed that there's such a lovely courtyard in the middle of this building, right? It appears like a solid building from the outside. And that's actually the beauty of this plot as well, because when F.W. Stevens was given charge of this building, he was also given charge of a very irregularly shaped plot. So it's kind of a V-shaped plot, so he really can't do much with it. But what he did as an innovation was to build around the edges, not giving any space on the outside, and transfer all of that open space on the inside to get this lovely, secluded courtyard. And in fact, the workers who worked on the BMC building were a Telugu-speaking community of Kamati workers. Kamatipura? So that's a neighborhood that's named after these workers.
મુંબઈ શહેરમાં ઇતિહાસના આ બોલતા પુરાવાની મુલાકાત ચોક્કસ લેવા જેવી ખરી.